In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the clock in macOS. First we have to open up system settings, and here it opens up in general. From here we just go into control center, and then we scroll down to the bottom, and here we have clock. Here we click on clock options, and here we can set up everything, basically, whether to show dates, show the day of the week, time, AM, PM, flash time separators, display the time with seconds, announce the time, interval, everything. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.